Hello, good morning! Today we will be making the easiest no-knead bread. Let's start! First off, sift your all-purpose or bread flour. I also mix a little bit of whole wheat flour. Then add the salt. Mix it first with the flour before adding the yeast. The reason for doing this is salt can slow the growth of yeast, leading to a slower rise of the dough. The next is add the water gradually while mixing until you get a sticky dough. Use a wooden spoon for doing this. Cover with cling foil and keep in the fridge overnight. Here you can see the dough that has doubled in size the next day. I left it on the counter for about half an hour. Before starting to work with the dough, preheat the oven first. I also put my pan inside to get it hot. Now, flour your work surface and transfer the dough. Using a scraper, fold from around to the center of the dough. Here I also added some mix of seeds. Fold it and seal the sides. Then transfer the dough to a parchment paper with floured side on top. I am using a sharp knife to score the dough. Then I brush it with egg white and added the seeds. I am using a mix of oatmeal, pumpkin, sesame, flax, sunflower, and nigella seeds. You can also use milk to brush on the dough. Of course, adding seeds is optional. Now place the dough with a parchment paper and heated pan. Cover with lid and return to the oven. Bake it for 30 minutes. If you don't have a pan or Dutch oven with lid, you need to add an extra baking dish with water in the oven. Then after 30 minutes, remove the lid. You can see here how the bread has risen beautifully. Then bake it more for extra 12 to 15 minutes until top is golden brown. Remove the bread from the pan and cool down completely. Wait for an hour or two until you start slicing. If you tap the bread and you hear this hollow sound, that means that the bread is baked perfectly. This bread is perfect to enjoy the same day you make it. You can also save a portion of it and freeze if you cannot eat it within 2 to 3 days. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you also try to make this bread. You can definitely tweak it to your liking. Share with me your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.